Hello. Today's date and time. Today it is Monday, May 18th, and it is 10:35 a.m. You're now probably wondering why I have a luggage in my backpack, and you're probably thinking that I am going to travel somewhere. If that's what you're thinking, then you are correct. Tomorrow we will be traveling to Boston, Massachusetts. All the way to the northeast part of the United States, where the culture is different than here in the South and in the Southwest. I have my boarding passes, and we are going to be flying American Airlines to Boston. Our first flight will be from El Paso to Phoenix, and we'll be taking off at 6:20 a.m. That's my first boarding pass. Second boarding pass will be on US Airways from Phoenix to Boston. We will be taking off at 8:59 a.m. Now, I just saw this now. The doors close 10 minutes before departure. This most likely means, but this could change, that we'll probably not leave security. I was planning to film the baggage claims for this flight and a few other videos until I saw that they closed the doors 10 minutes prior to departure. Now, we all know that flights on American Airlines usually get delayed, so if we do get delayed from El Paso, then it's not going to happen at all, because otherwise I will miss my flight. But you never know. I would say most likely I probably won't leave security, depending on if I'm delayed or not. However, this could change. So right now it's about a 50% chance if I will leave security or not. And I will be staying at a hotel in Boston. It'll be the Best Western in Brighton. It's around Boston University. And this is pretty much my own vacation. And one more thing I do want to show you. I like this stylish luggage tag that has the Phoenix Airport code on it. So I really do love Phoenix, and I love Sky Harbor Airport. And I do have a few other things to say. With American Airlines, things could change. This airline is very unpredictable, meaning that they do cancel flights sometimes if they're half full. However, these two flights I'm going on tomorrow will be completely full. So most likely they won't cancel the flights, but they do sometimes. So things might change, things might not. I will update you tomorrow while I am in the airport, and I will end the video here. Alright, we are in the airport right now, and the local time is 5:15 a.m. as you can see on the clock. And we are going to walk over to the American Airlines ticket counter. We're checking this luggage into Boston. It looks like there is a line, so I will end the video here, and after I check the luggage in, I will continue on, and that'll be it for now. Alright, I just checked my luggage in with American Airlines, and now we're going to walk over to the security line. See, we are departing over to Phoenix. Yep. That's not our flight, though. But I believe our flight is on time, departing from gate A3 at 6:20 in the morning. Alright, there it is. A3 6:20 on American Eagle. And the security line looks pretty long, as you can see. Yes. This is a public property. Well, just at the checkpoints, I understand that. All right, we got through security, and now we're walking over to gate A3. And we're gonna be boarding the flight to Phoenix in about 25 minutes. They redid this terminal a little bit. They added Starbucks there. Alright, in about 10 minutes we're going to be boarding the flight to Phoenix. I don't know if you can see the plane out there. I think you can't see the plane, but we are riding a CRJ 900, and I will stop the video here until we board.
No, it's not gonna fit. Thank you, closer to the front. You're welcome.
Group 3, welcome aboard flight 5743 going to Phoenix.
Do you want me to pull up a date on that? I'll let you want to. Just gotta get back to Phoenix at the same time.
variety of items for sale, including beer, wine, and spirits for $7, almond M&Ms for $3, hummus or pickles for $4, or cranberry numbers for $5. Please note that we only accept cash on board American Eagle. Once again, we only accept cash and correct change is appreciated. There are 2 lavatories on this aircraft. The lavatory in the front of the aircraft is reserved for those passengers seated in our first class cabin. The lavatory in the rear of the aircraft is reserved for those passengers seated in our coach cabin. We invite you to make yourselves comfortable and enjoy your flight. Thank you. local time is 6:23. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate. At that time, the captain will turn off the fasten seatbelt sign, and this will be your indication that it is safe to move about the cabin and collect any belongings you brought on board. Please be careful when opening overhead bins, contents may have shifted during flight. Please do not smoke until you reach a designated smoking area outside of the terminal. For those of you who get checked your bags, your luggage will be available for you plane side or will be brought to you on the loading bridge. However, for your safety, we ask that you do not walk behind the wings. The ground agents will bring your luggage to you. If you are connected here in Phoenix, we recommend you proceed directly to your connecting gates. Please check the app for monitors or go to AA from your phone for more up-to-date information. On behalf of American Eagle, and our One World Alliance partners, thank you for flying with us today. It has been our pleasure serving you this morning, and we hope to see you again soon on another American Eagle flight. We wish you a pleasant stay here in the Phoenix area or wherever your final destination may be. You're not free to use your small library devices such as mobile phones and transmit mode. Large devices such as full-size laptops must remain still until we're approached at the gate. We would like to remind you for your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened.
Thank you very much. Nice flight. Have a good day.
Oh no, it's not. Good fuck these
It's B20 to Santa Barbara.
Alright, well, we are in Phoenix now. Now we're going to check the flight for Boston to see if it's on time. Let's see here. So, 8:12 is our gate. And we got here pretty early, so it looks like we have time to go outside the secured area for a little bit, since we have a pretty lengthy layover here.
That's when they said that if they wanted to get up. Give me an ultimatum like that. This is your last chance.
This plane doesn't even have a full engine.
El Paso does not say the claim number. Arrival time gate. I guess we'll have to look for the baggage claim for the El Paso flight. I'll stop the video here for now. Alright, here we are. El Paso, we are off baggage claim 3. Which is right over here, and we're going to film the buzzer going off. We're gonna stop the video here for now.
The baggage for Southwest Airlines flight 2518 is now on Carousel 2. Southwest Airlines flight 2518 is now on Carousel 2.
Alright, well, I have about 2 hours here in Phoenix, and it was possible to film the buzzers here for the El Paso flight. I will say though, they work really fast here. When I arrive back in El Paso, it usually takes like 10 to 15 minutes for the claims to even start up. But here they work really fast. Anyways, we're going to have some airport adventures for the layover that I am here. Just say the Sky Harbor Airport is a beautiful airport. I like this airport a lot. Gonna take the escalators up. We're gonna ride the SkyTrain. And I'll end the video once we get up there. And this trip report is also for my friend Alex. He lives in Phoenix and he also says that he loves Sky Harbor as well. So Alex, what do you think of this? Alright, we will stop the video here for now.
Please stand clear of the doors. Please hold on. This train is departing for the 44th Street Station, Metro Rail and passenger pickup. Our next stop is Terminal 4. Next stop, Terminal 4. Thank you for visiting Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport. Rail and passenger pickup.
Zone 2 is welcome to board for Phoenix to Boston flight 646.
Yeah, go on ahead.
So if I can have you wait so I can get the wheelchair out.
There you are. Thank you very much. Hi.
Hello.
Thank you.
We'll get to that in a second, sir. I'll hang your jacket up, okay? And then, the house above us is getting a pool and they're going with residential. Sign is up. I was like, oh, they got a 2-for-1 or something.
Go on the couch.
Negotiated that.
I want to go on the cloud. I need the couch.
What did you say? I'm like, what? We should get a limo.
Back then, all fit in one car. I don't think anyone checked luggage in it.
Upgrade.
No. You can get no for you when you have enough. No.
What's that?
I got the notification.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to Boston. The local time here is approximately 4:45. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off and keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat pocket for any personal items such as tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful as items may have shifted during the
Take it
flight.
off airplane mode now that
You may
you're
now use your cell phone. American Airlines and our One World partners would like to thank you very much for flying with us today. We hope to see you again on a future flight. Have a great afternoon.
I know you're the driver, but will you wait so I can please? Is that a yes?
Yep.
Because you have to use it.
That's the other car.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Got airplane?
Yeah.
This is fun.
Was it fun?
This
I don't think you thought it was fun at the end.
This got on. That was. And bring it down. On. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I think I'll be fine. Okay. Yeah, I don't leave until